Abuja is a city full of surprises, and every now and then, you come across a place that makes you wonder why more people aren't talking about it. Today, we're exploring Sunrise Waterpark to discover why it's become one of the capital's favorite destinations for fun, relaxation, and adventure. Whether you're visiting with family, hanging out with friends, or simply looking for a break from the city's fast pace, there's something here for everyone. If you're after an adrenaline rush, rides like the Kamikaze, TurboLance, funnel freefall, and black hole are guaranteed to get your heart racing. For a different kind of thrill, the space boat, Aqua Tube, Rafting Slide, and multi-slide combine twists, turns, and refreshing splashes into an unforgettable ride. But not every adventure has to be fast-paced. The lazy river offers the perfect chance to slow things down. While the wave pool brings the excitement of the ocean right into the heart of Abuja. And if relaxation is what you're after, the Royal Oasis provides a calm space to unwind before heading back for more fun.
I'm the top for the top. I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot and you not. That's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road. Gotta go.
The excitement doesn't stop at the water's edge. If you're ready for a different kind of challenge, the Ninja Warrior course swaps water for obstacles, testing your strength, balance, and determination as you take on rope climbs, floating steps, warped walls, salmon ladders, and more. Younger visitors also have plenty to look forward to, with the playground, splash pad, and Action Lagoon, where the fun never seems to end. What makes Sunrise Waterpark truly special isn't just the attractions, it's the moments and the memories they create. The laughter, the friendly competition, the memories shared with family and friends are what turn a simple day out into an experience worth remembering. So whether you're planning your next weekend adventure or searching for a new side of Abuja to explore, Sunrise Waterpark is a destination that is well worth discovering. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, comment our videos, and share them with your company for more exciting destinations. Thank you for watching. I am the 360 Man. See you at the next destination.